Hey guys, oh my god, this angle, the camera's definitely going to fall, isn't it? You never vlog in my car, but welcome back to a new vlog. For those of you that don't know, a new and exciting thing is about to happen for me in my life, and it's also terrifying. It is actually worse audio in the car, so that's going to be really good, isn't it? Anyway, I'll make this brief. I'm moving to London with my boyfriend. So scared, like very mixed emotions actually, but anyway, we started homeware shopping. Anyway, sorry, it must be so loud right now. Anyway, cue the clips. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I am currently sat waiting for Aiden in M&S car park because we live far from each other, and when we want to do things we gotta meet in the middle, basically, which is a bit weird. It's like when you're on your first day, like in like year 11. Guys, we're in, I love this M&S, that's so extra. Anyway, we're trying to find, I really want to find the cinnamon roll baking kit. I'm not sure if we're gonna actually have a chance to bake them today, but wait, have you found it? I just love this M&S, there's something about it. I think it would be here, what do you think? Maybe they've got it more on show because it's autumn baking. Guys, I can't find them anywhere. It's really sad. Maybe they've sold out. Oh, you'd thought in the biggest M&S. Well, that's sad. It's literally right in front of us. We've been down this aisle so many times. Yeah? What do you need to add? 1 egg.
What, is that it? 1 egg?
No, 1 egg, butter and milk. 8 cinnamon buns.
That's all we need to add an extra?
Yeah, I think so. Yay, that's good, isn't it? I tell you what, I did spy as well. The gingerbread and white chocolate cookies. Christmas. I've not been in this new homeware section yet. Look how nice. Cribs Causeway. I have actually seen some plates that I want from M&S. Oh, they could be these. And they were actually not too expensive. Yeah, I think it's these. No, there was a set of 4 for... Have they not got the sets in store? No, I saw like a brown colour. Do they not have the brown? What is called mocha or something? God, such adulting right now. What? He's bringing his Spider-Man mug.
And a Man United mug.
And his Man United mug. Guys, I really have seen...
for everyday bowls.
I've seen some nice things that I want from the White Company, but... the trouble is, I feel like homeware shopping is better on my own. I'm learning because I have expensive taste. Oh no, discount. I get discount. Guys, we've come to M&S Cafe. I love this place. Although I was fancying a matcha and then I realised I had a matcha for breakfast, so I went for an iced vanilla latte and I forgot to order decaf, so I can't even drink it, guys. But I can't, I'll be ill. She says drink it. Quite tasty. It's really busy and you probably can't hear me, so cheers. Had a little browse in the White Company. We're now just popping to whatever little look in next home.
Well, since when?
It's next. Guys, I can't do this anymore. It's next to Curry's, Aiden, that's why I said it.
Yeah, but you didn't. I asked where we're going, you said Curry's at Dunelm. I get told that it's happening for a vlog.
I thought you weren't listening, so you're changing lanes, so I said it. Aiden's going into his favourite shop. He's so excited.
That reminds me, we need to clean my shoes.
How excited are you? Scale of 1 to 10 to walk into Dunelm?
Like a 6 or a 7.
God, I've not been here in so long. Oh my god, Christmas! Right, we really shouldn't be in the Christmas aisle, okay?
They do need to be lined up there, actually, toast and... oh my god, we need one.
Did you just say they need to be lined up?
Yeah. Like, they need to be synced up, sorry.
What do you mean?
Like the colour-wise and style-wise.
I thought you meant they need to be lined up next to each other. Guys, I love this.
£6.
How cute is that? Actually focus, okay everybody? Also, sorry, Aiden literally said we don't need oven gloves.
You don't need a good tea towel.
What?
Oh, that's cool. Frank, if you can get that. The panda. That'd be cool.
So you think that's a necessity over an oven glove, yeah?
It's not a necessity, but if you're going to get something to put a candle anyway, you might as well get that.
That smells quite nice, to be fair. Anyway, yeah, I've added so much to my basket online from like every shop possible. Guys, I love these. Oh god, oh god, I don't want to break anything. It's quite cute, isn't it?
£20.
What is it? No. Aiden was like, we need to get this. Like, do you see what I'm working with? So, in this box, we've got, it's all very random and not organised at the moment, but this brown basket I think we got from B&M. Yeah, it was like £8. Not too sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but it matches the colour theme because I wanted neutral brown, you know. And then I have got my pots and pans all packaged up here, which oh guys, I've got a coffee machine. Look at that, gorgeous. Again, I won't get it all out properly, but I've got a coffee machine which I'm very, very, very happy about. There's like utensils in here. Gorgeous. I actually got these in the Prime Day sale because one of the things that was important to me and one of the things that I thought was necessary to, what's the word? I don't know, but like pay more, invest in is good quality pans, because God, I hope these work on mobs, because I wanted ones that were non-stick and were going to clean properly, and also like, you know when, okay, my memory card just got full, but you know when like there's a certain material that you're not meant to have, and like when it scratches off, like the plastic, I don't really know, but I was doing my research and I don't know if I'm really meant to worry about stuff like that, but I wanted to get good quality pans is what I'm trying to say. Guys, seriously look at the amount of boxes I have here. Oh my God. I've not even opened any of them yet. I can't remember what I've ordered, but I feel like I need to go through things. I actually got quite a lot. Shein. I'm intrigued to see the quality and what things are like. I actually have bought glasses from like bowls and mugs before from Shein, and they're really good quality, so I'm sure all will be fine. Although, since when did Shein sell like tables and lights, like full-on floor lights, like, and rugs and carpet? Like this bath tray, that is good quality. I'm pretty sure it was like £9. You need a bath tray, do you know what I mean? You need a bath tray, I don't know, but I wanted a bath tray. Amazon love their packaging, don't they? We have a mop, a pink mop, which I'm sure Aiden is going to really appreciate. It's a really exciting start. I love that, and the quality is so good. How nice is that? Okay, oh my God. Okay, I really underestimated how much I've ordered. Everything I'm about to show you is from Shein. Seriously, look at this box. I got a pack of 60 hangers. Wooden hangers. The quality is insane. Best bargain I found for wooden hangers, because the ones from IKEA are more expensive. So there you go, little hack. You know the like syrup jars with the gold? But I wasn't expecting it to be as big as that. We have an ice cube tray. We've got some mixing bowls. Guys, I got a matcha set. Can we just take a moment? Oh, I have a bath mat from Shein. I've got some placemats, which I'm not loving as much as I hoped I would, but it's fine. Okay, random, but just wait for the vision. It's this tiny little footstool, but I'm gonna put a vase on it. Aiden literally has no idea what's going on. I then also got this marble little tray. No idea where that's going yet, but I'm sure we'll find its place. I got these 2 glass Tupperwares because, again, I've listened to too many podcasts recently about plastic near food and consuming microplastics. I'm not usually like that, but okay. Ooh. Oh yes, a colander. Perfect. I got these 2 fake flickering candles that look really shit like this, but I'm hoping they basically like move and like that, but they need batteries. Oh God, the polystyrene. So not just make your whole body cringe. I got these 2 chopping boards, baking tray. Wait, I swear I got a bigger one than that. We have some glasses. This one I just love. I don't know what it is about it, but that, an ice cup, a matcha in there. Oh my God, stop it. And then I got this little light up. I mean, it obviously doesn't look like anything like that. It's a rechargeable one. It was like £2, so I'm hoping. I just like a oh, I got this mug. How
cute is this?
I also got this, which is a bit random. I don't know how they can get away with selling this actually, because it It literally says Smeg on it. I then got this jar, wooden lid, and I thought my espresso pods could go in here because I actually got some vase, like just a mini vase that I thought would look good on the bathroom shelves. And then I've got a garlic press. I've got this little brown woven basket. I also got this glass, which I thought was cool. This is my favourite thing I got, and it is humongous. Like, the sofa in our apartment flat is not doing it for me. So I thought I could jazz it up and put this massive blanket over it. We've got this little wooden board thing, a glass baking tray, this laundry basket. It's just not giving you a heart attack right now. How's the packing going? This is how it's going. I got these bowls from M&S. Oh, these big plates from M&S. You can't really see in the light, but I gave up yesterday, guys. It was exhausting. It was too big a job. Some oven gloves, 2 bedside lamps, just like honestly the cheaper ones. For the bathroom, I have gone for brown marble. I've got this brown marble tray. It honestly weighs a ton. Wait, I won't get it out fully, but it's just the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. I've got a matching toothbrush holder, soap dispenser, this blanket, this utensils pot,